Take a moment to check out the 2023 Acura RDX. The Acura RDX, a luxury crossover SUV that handles whatever life throws at you in style and comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. See for yourself how luxurious high performance can be. Drive the RDX today.